can't remove the rocks, apparently.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Highway 93.
Here on the Icefields Parkway, and we decided to make another intro for the video for the 4 nomads. So I go by the name Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And
we are
The
four nomads.
So this is part 2 of the video. We have part 1 where we travel from our homes up through up into Canada. So part 2 is going to be our journey to Alaska through Canada. So follow us, and we'll put up videos as we go. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll see you on the road. Park pass required. You got it handy? Yeah. Kilometers, Saskatchewan crossing.
Highway 93.
That's where we're eventually going. They sure we want to see that to the left,
Okay.
so see all the people. So see if you can get in there. We might not get in. Because we certainly can't pull in and park like that.
This is Crowfoot Glacier. I washed the RV today, this morning. Look how clean it is. Truck too. Look how beautiful these mountains are here. That is awesome. We just left Crowfoot Glacier. Look, there's ice on this lake.
Oh yeah, right there in that corner.
Peyto Lake.
Okay, now that we do want to stop at if we can.
Okay.
Highest point on the Icefields Parkway, short paved side road to the west.
We are 6,700 feet.
You have to unhook to turn around.
You might have to.
In 1/4
You wanted to
mile,
come up here,
make a
didn't you?
U-turn.
I don't know.
But you said you wanted to stop here.
A bus parking up ahead though. Shows I hope this wasn't a mistake.
That'd be fine. We have to disconnect the truck and then back all the way down the hill. That's what I'll have to do.
Yeah, this is good for bus parking up here. Oh yeah, baby. No, I don't really know what we're looking at.
So this is the reason we stopped here. What is it, Peyto Lake?
Peyto Lake.
Peyto Lake. Look how blue that water is.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
Look, is that a glacier up over there? Is that just snow on the
No,
mountains?
I don't know, Mike, because that glacier may actually come down into this.
No, look up.
No looking up.
No, look up.
No looking up.
Look at those clouds around that top of that mountain. It's just incredible. See that? It's pretty over here too with the sun over here in that one section. See, to me, this is part of the enjoyment I get. Just driving through and enjoying the beauty of it.
Oh yeah, that's going to be the whole trip, basically.
So the sediment that's coming, and it's like the particles like
stone,
flour.
sand, and
Yeah, so-
it gets ground up.
Right. So there's the water, the snow melts off of the mountains, and it creates this delta, and all the gravel and the stuff just is silt stays there. The water continues, and it brings those very fine rock particles like this shape of
We call it rock flour.
And that made that water that dark.
Well, it settles to the bottom of the water in the sunlight and everything.
Well, it
It's
just stays. It
reflection.
just is floating in the water. It doesn't settle to the bottom. It just stays floating in the water. That's what I read. And maybe I have that wrong. I don't know. But I'm assuming that's the same as it is for Lake Louise.
Oh, I think so. So maybe the different colors are just the different rock,
Yeah.
whatever the rock's made out of, and then because that is kind of what I read.
Yeah, it is. But I always try to get those placards so you can see the information wherever we are. You don't have to read every bit on the video, but at least have it there. If somebody wants to pause their video and read it, that's great.
The Messiah, the Howes, and the North Saskatchewan River converge at this Saskatchewan crossing.
Where we're staying tonight?
Yes.
All right, let's go see the potholes in the rocks. I mean, oh, wow.
Talk about powerful water. Oh, you can really see that very well. Or you can see spray coming up.
Oh, Glenn's gone out.
Look at Glenn over there. Oh, here comes Dawn.
Oh, that is spectacular. All right, we're going to try to go down there. Look at that.
So that powerful water has made all these crevices and potholes in this rock. And this water is coming out of the Peyto Lake that we just saw. That crisp blue colored lake.
Absolutely amazing. Well worth a short hike down here.
A must-see for anyone on the Icefields Parkway. Look at that. Look at the mountains. Mountains, water, forests, everywhere.
And we're looking for Saskatchewan River crossing. And this is a resort area that has parking for RVs, overnight parking. And you can't get there, or you can't check in until 3 o'clock. But we are at 2:20, and so we are hoping to get there in
5 minutes.
get a spot. So get your stuff off of there, Leanne, and then I'll go ahead and we'll pull out. I guess Dawn and Glenn are ready.
I don't know, I can't see.
They don't have the steps out. Do you want to check them with the radio?
Y'all waiting on us again?
Just waiting to follow you.
All right, here we go. Say one said we could go further up 11 by a couple miles, and this one says it's just right here. If Mr. Childers can find it, we can find it.
Yeah. That's pretty in front of us. think it was Saskatchewan River crossing.
Little cabins or something.
This must be the river.
Must be.
Let's see what this sign says, the green one here.
North Saskatchewan River.
Okay, look at that color of that. Wow.
Well, because it's flowing out of that Peyto Lake. Let's see what happens. Let's see what this sign says.
Saskatchewan River crossing.
1 mile.
Next exit.
Okay, we don't want that, so let's just. See, mine says go past 11, and it's right up here, past this 11. See all the cars? Goodness gracious.
Turn right.
Oh, there's the gas station. They're crossing. This is it. So, we might be a little early. See a big bus over there.
What does that say over there? RV.
People got here early, didn't they? So much for us being rule followers.
We're gonna make a U right here.
Okay.
I got a bay door open.
You want to get out and close it?
No,
Just for the scrape. Oh,
we
Florida.
Maybe we need to just pull right in here beside this thing.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe we can get Don and Glenn to come up here.
Well, there's still somebody blocking the driveway.
Close that bay door. Let's check with them and see what this view right outside of the front window here, or the RV when we stopped here at the Saskatchewan River crossing. We're stopping here for the night. That's the view of the mountains right here.